Hi there, Alec from VacuumSpot. Going to give you a real quick look at the Powerhead replacement for an Electrolux Twin Clean. This is for the powered models Z8240, Z8245, Z8280. There may be others, I just can't recall them right now. You'll know if yours is a Powerhead because you've got a fancy little light on the front. And you've also got a shiny silver metal bit right here, which is to have the power pass through. It has to have those two things to be the Powerhead that you're looking for. I'm just going to quickly show you. From time to time, you can have a problem where the neck might break here, or you might sever the cord inside this little part here. If your head is faulty because of either of those two reasons, you're going to have to replace the head. Unfortunately, Electrolux don't make those parts to be fitted or repaired on this machine. So if you've got a break here or the cord is severed, you'll need to replace the head. However, on the underside, there are a couple of parts that you can get as a separate item, which we do sell in our store. I'll show you just inside here. This is a replacement part. I'll put a link in the video. This also is the way to clean it. Just take it out, cut off any fibers or anything wrapped around, and just pop him back inside. You can as well get these little wheels as a replacement part. When you're putting it back together, hold your wheels in because the little axles can move. Tilt him over. Just make sure you close that gap there, and then close up your locking mechanism. And that's it. Replacement head for Electrolux powered models. The price at the moment, the retail is $169. We're currently selling this for $149. That's all. Alec from VacuumSpot.